Switch charts are custom-drawn circuit diagrams. Let's look at the same circuit in the Switch Chart app. When you first launch the app, you will be presented with a splash screen that explains how to display a circuit. If you click this box, the splash screen will not appear the next time you launch the app. There are 3 steps to viewing a circuit. Step 1, click the search widget, select Circuit Boundaries, and then type in a circuit ID. Step 2, click the Circuit Filter widget, add the circuit ID, and then click Apply. Step 3, select what type of devices and annotation you want to see on the map. Visibility for fuse bank, fault indicator, and sectionalizer bank is turned off by default. Now that we have circuit 904 isolated on the map, you'll notice that not every device is labeled. This happens when multiple devices are close together and there's not enough free space on the map for the annotation. For example, if I want to see the annotation for these regulators, I'll press the Shift key on my keyboard and then use my mouse to draw a rectangle on the map, indicating where I want to zoom into. As you can see, the labels for these regulators are now visible. If I want to see more information about this regulator, I can click the base of the leader line to get a pop-up with more information. To go back to my previous zoom level, I will press the Previous Extent button. If I want to zoom in again to the same area as before, I can click the Next Extent button. Another way to zoom out is to press Ctrl then Shift and then draw a rectangle on the map. You can also zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons on the Switch Chart app, the plus and minus keys on your keyboard, using the scroll wheel on your mouse, or by using zoom gestures on your laptop, trackpad, or touchscreen. To view another circuit, open the Circuit Filter widget and press the Add Criteria button. If I need to change the colors of the conductor, there are 2 other color options in the layer list. If I don't want to see pop-ups for a particular layer, I can choose the Disable Pop-up option. You also have the option to view underground conductor, which adds a dashed line to the map where conductor is underground. To get more screen space, you can click the Full Screen button. For circuits with a lot of equipment and conductor, you can have 2 browser windows open. One browser window can be zoomed out to view the entire circuit, while the other zoomed in to see the details. I can save this location by creating a bookmark. This also saves the visibility settings for the various layers that you have turned on or off. The switch chart device symbols are the same as the symbols used in Electric Office. Normally open devices are green, while closed devices are red. Recloser annotation starts with RC. Then there would be NO or NC, which indicates normally open or normally closed. Then the location number. Then SW for switch number. And finally, circuit ties are indicated by circuit IDs 1 and 2. Switch annotation starts with the location number, then SW, which stands for switch, NO or NC, which indicates normally open or normally closed, then circuit IDs 1 and 2. Capacitor anno starts with a C and then the location number. Regulators start with the phase and then location number. Fuse banks start with FB, then the location number. Fault indicators start with FI, then the location number. Sectionalizer banks start with SE, then the location number. Switch cabinet pop-ups include links to internal images. There are several options for displaying roads. The EO roads layer is based on Electric Office center lines. The road labels automatically adjust their placement when they are near conductor or equipment. However, the annotation is above the conductor. If you don't want the annotation above the conductor, you can use this EO roads layer. There's also the option of using Esri roads. Since the road annotation is separate from the road outlines, you can turn it on or off. Finally, you can use the base maps. For the satellite imagery base map, you can use the white shade layer to help see the conductor and equipment. And this layer transparency can be adjusted. You can find objects on the map using several search methods. Use the Search Widget drop-down button to select a search method, and then type your text in or paste it from an application.